In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can equip and use sprays here in Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by starting on the home screen and select heroes up in the very top and choose whatever hero you want to customize. For this example, let's just go ahead and say we're going to do Adam Warlock right here. Open up your hero and on the left hand side, you're going to see a cosmetics tab up in this tab sidebar. Select that and then from here, you'll see up here a whole different section for a bunch of different stuff, whether it's sprays, emotes, whatever. Select sprays for this example, and you're going to see all of these sprays that you currently own. Essentially, go ahead and just find whatever one you want to equip, and then go ahead and equip it. But you're also going to want to go ahead and customize whether you want it to apply to all or just that hero. So hit that setting if you want to customize that. But essentially find one, equip it, and then you can put it on your wheel really wherever you'd like. And whenever you're in a match, just press left on the D-pad on Xbox or PlayStation or T on PC. And this is going to open up your spray wheel. Just select the spray that you want and then release the button to press it. If the spray wheel doesn't show up, just cycle through emotes, emojis, and sprays by using the left or right trigger on controller or just by clicking on PC, and just make sure you're on the sprays tab. And after you go ahead and do that, you'll be good to go. Just hover over that spray and then release T or release left on the D-pad, and then you'll be using that spray here in Marvel Rivals. It really is as simple as that though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.